Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of those complement and supplement angles, word problems that can be a little bit messy, but once you kind of get the hang of them, they're not too bad. So hopefully this example will help kind of clear up some of this for you. So the first thing we want to do is read through the problem at least one time to kind of get a feel for what it's asking you for. All right, so the measure of the supplement of an angle is 40 degrees larger than twice the measure of the complement of angle A. What's the sum in degrees of the measures of the supplement and the complement? So essentially what I'm being asked for is to tell them what is the complement plus the supplement, right? So I need to find these two things, right? I have to know, right? And if we call angle A, so angle A is equal to some number x, then I know that the supplement of A has to be equal to 180 minus x. And I know that the complement has to be equal to 90 minus x. Okay, so those are my two very basic expressions for the supplement and for the complement. Now we can kind of think about this in terms of the information that I was given. It says the measure of the supplement, so the measure of the supplement is 180 minus x. It says is, so that's an indication for equality, 40 degrees larger than twice the measure of the complements. So if it's 40 degrees larger, right, then that means that the complement has to get bigger. And you get bigger by adding. So it has to be, and again, larger than. Remember, anytime you see those thans, usually you want to kind of tag that onto the end. All right, so twice the measure. Twice the measure indicates multiplying by a quantity. So 2 times the complement. The complement is 90 minus x. So if I multiply by 2 and I add 40, then that tells me that I'll be equal, right? The supplement is 40 degrees larger than twice the measure. So if I multiply by 2 and then I add 40 to the smaller piece, I should get something that's equal to the larger. All right, so now that I have this kind of set up, I can kind of solve for x, right? So 180 minus x is going to equal 180 minus 2x plus 40. So if I go ahead and bring my x over, right, my 2x over rather, so plus 2x, I'm going to go ahead and strike off my 180s, right, subtract 180 from both sides, and then end up with x equal to 40. Relatively easy, all right? So now that I know that x is 40, all I have to do is plug that back in to the supplement. So the supplement of A is 180 minus 40, so we'll call that 140 degrees. And the complement is 90 minus 40, which is 50 degrees. So we'll throw that over here under complement. When I add those together, the sum of the complement and the supplement is 190 degrees. All right, so again, go ahead and try to read the question one time. Remember these key kind of expressions and how to set these key expressions up. Supplements are 180 minus or 90 minus, right? Those are going to be key in trying to do these problems, remembering those relationships, those other ways to describe supplements and complements when they're related to the other angle. All right, so hopefully this was useful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, have a good day.